look at my grin on my face, this is amazing. The sound is absolutely awesome. Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel, and this time we're picking up my new Mustang. Let's go. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications for advance warning of new videos when they drop. And if you do like this, give me the thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Fun to Drive Cars, where you get advance warning of upcoming videos. So here we go, the day's come and it's time for me to pick up my new Mustang, which is from Ford in Leeds. That means that I've got to get from Hull to Leeds. Now my partner's not available today, so she couldn't take me in the car. So that means I'm going to have to use public transport. So that means a bit of walking to the bus stop and then get the bus into town, pick up the train, and then from Leeds station get an Uber across to Ford to pick up the actual car. So this is the first leg of the journey, walking to the bus stop. So second leg of the journey, here we are now on the bus. And we've got about 30 minutes to get me to the station. Pull into the interchange where I'll start the next leg of my journey and jump on the train to Leeds. So here we are now in the train station in Hull. What I'm going to do is grab myself a coffee, then we'll go find out which platform my train's on. So I have my coffee now, so let's go check which track the train is going from. There we go, it looks like it's platform 3, it's the 10:15 to Halifax, which stops at Leeds at 11:24. Just about ready to depart, so let's just relax. So I've got like just over an hour to go. I might as well watch a movie or something on my tablet and enjoy the journey. See you in Leeds. Now just pulling into the station at Leeds, and the next step of the journey will be an Uber taxi to Ford. So now let's get outside and book an Uber taxi. Uber booked, just waiting for the pickup now. There we go, here's my Uber. So I'm here now, I'm at Ford in Leeds, and a sneak peek of the car, it is there. So let's go do the paperwork and then get the keys, and it's mine to drive. This is nice as well. So this is another Mustang that they got up for sale. Obviously a 2019 facelift. Yeah, lovely looking car that, I love the colour. It's got all the blackouts as well, which is what I wanted. So it's got the blacked out 5s, it's got the blackout trim around the windows and the black wheels. Never mind, that's something I'm going to have to do with mine to bring it up to the same spec as this. Paperwork all done, so I'm now just going to come out and I'm just going to give the car a once over, just make sure there's no damage to it since the last time I drove it. So let's check it out. Car's looking good, so I think we might accept delivery of this vehicle. So next is the handover of the keys. Do you have the keys? Got the keys. Oh, I've got the keys. I've already got the keys. Give me them. I forgot about that. Cool. So here we go. We've just clambered in. We've got the nice pony there. Look. So I've just got one last thing. He's just got to clear with his manager that he's covered everything and we're ready to go. So I'm going to set up the camera and I can chat to you driving it back to Hull. Here we go, YouTubers. This is me in my new car, my Ford Mustang 5 litre V8. So this is the first video on this channel of me driving my car. And look at my grin on my face, this is amazing. The sound is absolutely awesome. Turn that music on. The sound is absolutely awesome from that pipe. Obviously I'm going to take it steady for the first 1,000 miles, need to run the car in. But I've got some good plans for some good videos coming up for this car. I've ordered loads of bits and bobs to come, so some nice spots, nothing that will invalidate the warranty, because I don't want to do that at this moment, and stay tuned for those. So let's now get the car home, get it to bed, because I've got to go shopping this afternoon. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications, and if you did like this actual video, then give me the thumbs up, and that all helps with the YouTube ratings. And follow me on Fun to Drive Cars on Instagram, where you'll get advanced notification and sneak peeks of upcoming videos. Till the next time, stay safe.